Hey guys, my name is Jason with Mount Baker Mining and Metals, and today on Will It Crush we're going to be running a sample of this styrene that a customer sent us down through one of our 6x10 jaw crushers. And this is kind of cool because there's a couple different consistencies. This stuff is real hard and brittle, and this is a lot lighter and foamy. So we're going to try and crush it through one of our 6x10 jaw crushers, get it down to about 3/4 inch minus. This current model is run with a 3-phase 7.5 horse electric motor, but we do have a single phase and a gasoline option available as well. So let's crush this, see if we can get it down to the customer spec and see how it goes. So here's the results from our 6x10 jaw crusher test, and it didn't work very well. It crushed some, but the stuff is just so light and it's so foamy that it absorbs a lot of the shock that the jaw crusher gives it. So we're going to take this stuff over and try it through one of our 16x12 hammer mills, see if we can get a little bit better result. So here's the results from our styrene through the hammer mill. And as you can see, it pretty much did exactly what the customer wanted. They got their 3/4 inch minus product, and I couldn't feed it fast enough. It just took it as fast as I could put it in the hammer mill there. So I think this is exactly what the customer wanted. We ran a 16x12 hammer mill with a 1 inch by 4 inch long slot. And what the jaw crusher couldn't do, the hammer mill crushed it. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.